Live, we're making a banana peanut butter cluster. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna do a chocolate drizzle on top, but we can't do that until it's frozen. So we're just gonna do this first. How is everyone? Not in St. Bart's or Cabo or somewhere glorious. And actually, if you are, live it up, you know? Have the best time, whether you're skiing now or with family or working like I am. I mean, I love my work, so I'm not upset about it. We're making peanut butter yogurt chocolate covered clusters. It's so easy. I just figured I might as well show you. I love to keep smart sweet treats in my freezer at all times, because there's those times where you just want that sweet treat after dinner in the afternoon, whatever it is, and you want it to be smart, you want it to have protein, you want it to keep you full, you don't want it to feel like it's just something that you have one of and then it, you know, drags you into this whole mess of needing more and more and more, you know? So that's what we're doing. Also, be sure to comment 21. Just write 21 in the comment section so you have all the information of my 21-day challenge starting after the new year. It starts January 12th. We're going to crush it. It's so exciting. The group is already in there talking about how much they love it. And it's already free for all Entre Angels. And part of the 21-day challenge is you get daily Entre for free for that time, in addition to the whole challenge material, which is going to be amazing. So you're going to be obsessed with it. So write 21, make sure you're in it, secure your spot. So far we have plain non-fat Greek yogurt. You could use dairy-free, but make sure you get Greek style, which means that it has more protein. And I just added pure vanilla extract, but you could add almond extract, you could add peanut extract, you could add banana extract, you could add marshmallow extract. You can have so much fun with extracts. And then I'm just doing pure vanilla. This is vanilla cream flavored stevia drops, but you can use monk fruit, you can use stevia, you can use real honey, and it would still be better than probably any other dessert recipe you're eating in December. So do you. And then peanut butter powder. This is from this band Pisokin, and they add a little sugar to their peanut powder, so I'm not going to do too much. I'm going to do like half of this container, probably about 3 tablespoons. If you're doing measurements, then I would say it's probably 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you could use stevia or sweetener to taste, because there's no egg in this recipe. In a second we'll be able to taste it. And then we're going to add in banana, but you can add in blueberries, raspberries, whatever you want to do, you know? You could have fun, whatever your craving is. I always crave peanut butter, banana, and chocolate combination, so that's what I'm going to go for. It's very good. Very good. It's heavy on the peanut. It's sweet. I would add a little sweet so my kids like it, but I have no interest in them liking it because this is something I like to have for myself. All right, if you're new to this live, make sure you comment 21. You join our 21-day challenge we have starting after the new year. Oh, I didn't add the bananas. I mean, you could add them now. You could add them later. I'm going to add them now. If you don't know what the daily Entre is, which is what you're going to be getting to try for free within the 21-day challenge, but the daily Entre stands for optimized nutrition, thoughts, results, and actions. But just think Entre on track. You know, you have the daily Entre and you will stay on track daily. And that's what our group talks about all the time. They always say they're having more success with the program than they've had with anything else they've ever done, because you can read my book, you can follow my To Be Mindset program, but you need that daily accountability, that little reminder, that new recipe drop, that new audio drop, that those midweek mantras to keep you on track every day of the year. And I'm working with my team on such exciting things we have for the new year. We're going to have this incredible referral program. We're going to be giving out tumblers. We're going to be giving out amazing cutting boards. Also, as part of the daily Entre, I do a live call twice a week, but where I answer all your questions and I get really good in the tough love and make it count. And we also have guest speakers, and I'm working on our guest speaker lineup for 2026, and it's going to be pretty amazing. We're going hard. We're getting some really amazing people to come on and give us their chizuk, so to speak, like their knowledge, their strength, their motivation, their best of the best. So let me know who you'd want to be a guest speaker within the Daily Entre. So far, we have my friend Amanda Francis, and I have a couple of people on the lineup. All right, so once you mix in your banana or your fruit or whatever it is, we are going to do little dollops. And I actually don't like them to be little. I like them to be pretty substantial, like nice discs. And I always say the flatter the disc, the faster it'll freeze. So I'm gonna pop these into the freezer when I'm done. And then once they're icy cold, that's when we can melt the chocolate and pour it all over, and it'll freeze instantly on top. And then I like to just keep them in the freezer. Again, more protein, lower sugar. You get some fiber in there with the peanut powder, the dark chocolate, and the banana. So it's gut friendly, it's healthy, it's satisfying, and you can eat it while staying on track. So make sure you comment 21, you join our 21-day challenge. It's gonna be loaded with motivation, with recipes, with community. And again, free full access to the Daily Yantra. So you have all the recipes we've ever posted before, all the audio drops. You can really like soak up that material so that you're almost guaranteeing that by February 1st, you're a lower weight than when you started in the first week of January. So love you all so much. Comment 21, get the info, secure your spot. You're gonna be obsessed with it, and I can't wait to see you in there.